Raising just started while Secret Truth was left behind. Gen Spirit, moving up, Counselor ran on the outside, My Sweet Swanee, Forever Young in the middle portion, then next online landed Bisa, alam mo na yan, then followed over by entry number 9, and this one is Princess Adarna, and going along for the first turn, Gen Spirit, followed closely by My Sweet Swanee in second, Counselor is racing in third, landed Bisa is done in fourth, Forever Young comes next, alam mo na yan, Matikas, while Princess Adarna is still racing in last, back to the leader, we have Counselor now takes command, My Sweet Swanee landed Bisa, Gen Spirit moving up, Forever Young, Matikas, alam mo na yan, while Princess Adarna is still racing in less, and at the fourth turn we have Counselor, this time by about 4 lengths, landed Bisa in second, and in third My Sweet Swanee, and on the outside Forever Young, Matikas, alam mo na yan, Gen Spirit and Princess Adarna is still racing in last with about 150 meters more to run. We have Counselor this time by about 8 lengths, followed by Forever Young in second, alam mo na yan, and finally it's Counselor. Forever Young, then comes alam mo na yan, My Sweet Swanee, landed Bisa and Matikas.
741-635, unofficial, umabot tayo ng 1 milyon.